Once it was the world's most endangered feline, teetering on the edge of extinction with fewer than 100 individuals left. How could a species so close to disappearing ever truly recover? This is the remarkable story of the Iberian lynx. The Iberian lynx, native to the Iberian Peninsula, faced catastrophic decline. Habitat destruction and a severe drop in its primary food source, the European rabbit, pushed this unique wildcat to the very brink. By the early 2000s, fewer than 100 individuals remained, making it a symbol of conservation despair. But then, something extraordinary happened. Dedicated conservation efforts, including habitat restoration and intensive breeding programs, began to turn the tide. Crucially, the recovery of rabbit populations provided the lynx with the food it desperately needed to thrive once more. Today, the Iberian lynx population has soared to over 1,600 individuals. This incredible rebound from near extinction is a testament to what focused conservation can achieve. It stands as one of Europe's most inspiring wildlife success stories. The return of the Iberian lynx proves that even the most dire conservation challenges can be overcome with dedication and scientific effort. It's a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and our capacity to make a difference. If you found this story inspiring, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife conservation content.